Welcome back, guys. From today, IST registrations for UG admission 2021 is started. So in this video, I will be guiding you through the registration process. So let's begin with the video. So as you can see in the screen, this is IST homepage. And for registration, you need to go to 2021 admissions and then to the online admission portal. Here you need to click to the undergraduate admissions. And here are the 3 steps for the registration. First is create login and register. So in the step 1 and 2, you need to log in and then you have to fill the details of the registration form. And in the step 3, you just have to pay the registration fee and then your registration is over. So let's begin with the step 1. So in the step 1, you need to enter your JEE Advanced roll number and then date of birth and then this CAPTCHA. So from this you can proceed to step 2. So now I will enter the details. As I have entered the details, so I will proceed to step 2. Step 2 is filling of this registration form. So in this registration form, some details are already filled and the rest details you need to fill by yourself. So candidate name, gender, category, JEE Advanced roll number, date of birth, and this PD dialog box is already filled. So now at first you need to create your password. So here you can enter the password in the dialog box and then you need to enter some details. So first is address for communication. Next is city, pin code, state, Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is not mandatory as you can't see any star here. Then is email ID, and after this you need to upload your admit card here and then you need to upload your photograph, and this photograph should be the same photograph which you have uploaded in the JEE Advanced registration. After this, landline number, also this is also not mandatory like Aadhaar card. Next you need to give your mobile number. This is candidate mobile number and then there is parent mobile number. Alternate mobile number is not mandatory. If you want to fill, then you can fill. Here is the fees dialog box. It will be already pre-filled depending on your category which you have entered in the JEE Advanced registration. Next part is very important. It's about filling in your branch preferences. So as you know, IST offers 3 branches: aerospace engineering, avionics engineering and dual degree. So you need to fill your preferences based on these 3 branches. First thing is that you need to fill your preference order now and you can also edit it till 22 October. So in the branch preference, if your priority order is aerospace first, then avionics and then dual degree, so you can fill like this: aerospace, avionics and then dual degree. So that's all, it's simple. And if you are particular about your branch that you don't want to take admission in dual degree or aerospace or avionics, then you can just deselect it. So as I have not filled the third preference, so I will be considered only for the above 2 preferences. So that's all about the branch filling. So after filling your branch preferences, you have to read these points and select the check boxes. So after clicking to proceed to step 3, your step 2 will be completed, and after that you can pay the registration fee to complete your registration. So you can pay your registration fee from here also. If you have completed your step 1 and step 2, then click to step 3 here. So here you have to fill your IST registration number which will be generated after step 2. And then you have to enter your password which you have entered in the step 2 only. So after logging in, you can pay your registration fee and your registration will be completed. Also at any time later, if you want to log in your account, then you can select this candidate login. And here you have to fill your details and then you can log in. So if you face any problem while registration, you can comment below. We will try to solve your problems. So that's all for the registration video, and do subscribe IST Insiders as we are regularly bringing videos related to IST.